Hi Weber fans, so today I'm going to show you how to grill up the perfect lamb's heart. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. But don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out in this video. Now, if you've never had a lamb's heart, then you're missing out on an amazing treat. As a child, my parents gave me liver and it was totally disgusting. You got that horrible metal taste. You do not get that with lamb's heart. Lamb's heart is more like a duck meat and it tastes amazing when cooked correctly. Now you can do this on the Weber Genesis, you can do it on the kettle, and you can do it on the Q as I'm doing today. What I'm going to be using today is the Weber Q-ware pan. Now you can use a skillet or you can use the Weber flat plate. It's entirely up to you. So what we'll do is dive in and start preparing this lamb's heart. Well, today there's 4 simple ingredients. You need some olive oil, some ground black pepper, some salt, and a little pinch of garlic powder. And then the star of the show, a lamb's heart. Right, so with the lamb's heart, what we're going to do is slice it up into thin steak-like slices, and any fat you can remove. Obviously this was a pretty well exercised lamb and there's not too much fat on there. And so now we'll just slice that up. So you can see from that, lamb is a pretty lean meat. You're not going to get that nasty iron taste like you do with the liver. It's going to be a little bit rubbery, but that's just the way a lamb's heart is. So we'll get this seasoned and then we'll get it on the grill. Now to prepare our lamb, we're just going to give it a little bit of olive oil, some black pepper, a little bit of salt, a bit of garlic powder. Flip it over and season the other side. Now it's time to get our lamb heart on the grill. That is awesome. You just got that little bit hint of garlic powder, salt and pepper, perfection. It's a little bit rubbery, but that's the texture of the lamb's heart, but it tastes amazing. Now this will go great with some side dishes, and I will put an archive link into one that you cook with it. But if you haven't tried lamb's heart, my advice, give it a try. It tastes amazing. And it's a lot leaner meat than liver. But don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out in this video. Right, so as you can see from that quick video, that lamb heart came out superb. Now, you can fry this up with onions. You could put a bit of lemon in there. The world is your oyster when it comes to lamb's hearts to add more flavour into there. I just find it a really quick, simple protein to cook for the whole family. You can add some lemon juice on there as well to give it that little bit of zing. It's entirely up to you. It does taste nice with lemon. I just didn't do it this time. Can do this on the Weber kettle. You can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can do it on the Weber Q as I've done today. All you need is a medium indirect heat. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, the contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.